As we reached a certain point in our ride, the skies began to shift, clouds thickened, and that soft gray light turned heavy. It was clear rain was coming. At that moment, I made the decision. I told Lara she should head back or stay sheltered. Safety first. I could already feel the wind changing, the temperature dipping, and I knew it wouldn't be an easy ride ahead. The road was about to get wet, maybe even a little dangerous. I watched her disappear in the distance, riding slow, careful. Part of me wanted to turn back with her, but something stronger pulled me forward. A goal, a promise I made to myself. To finish this ride, even if it meant going solo from here on. And then, the rain began.
Plus, let's see, this looks okay. What a nice day. Heavy rain. Taipei. I hope I can reach colorplus. Come over at you, burger. Look delicious.
As the rain started pouring harder, I knew I had to take a break. I looked around and boom, Q-Burger showed up like a blessing in the middle of a rain. Soaked, tired, and a little cold, I parked the Brompton under the awning and headed in. The smell of hot food hit me right away. Coffees and dim sum and spaghetti, yum yum.
Alright, rain doesn't stop, so just continue riding. Enjoy the moment of Taipei. I hope I will not get sick. 200 meters to go to the colorplus store. This is the showroom. I know they are not selling. Okay, stop. So 200 meters away from colorplus showroom. Oh, well, there will be a lot of stuffs here. Colorplus. You see, birdie, beautiful Bromptons at the window side, rear window. A nice logo, colorplus. Very nice. As I request to make it more earlier so they give me a chance to meet them. They have some other stuff.
Come right back to your hotel.
Yes. Yeah, Miss Payne accepted me warmly in this very good corpus. So you have to visit here. This is one of the things that you have to visit here. If you're really a cycling, coming around here
Every day.
every day.
Take care their trees.
Okay, wow. This is, okay. Those are bicycle shop. Okay, or just
Yes,
same as me.
Dealer, distributor.
Distributor.
Or riders like you.
Oh, okay, they pay a visit. Okay, all right. But don't worry, I am not a distributor. I'm not a wholesaler. I'm just a fanatic of colorplus. That's all. That's all I can say.
Anniversary.
Wow. So this is not. Definitely, this is not for sale.
By order.
By order.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm sweating. You know, this is an air conditioning system, but I'm sweating inside.
Limited. For the take in about 3 days. 3 working days.
3 days. Wow. You don't need security here, I guess. Oh,
We
right.
have the camera.
Oh, okay. All right. See on
Yes,
the
yes.
yeah, this one.
All
Yeah.
limited edition.
Goodness.
Collect by Watercraft.
All I,
Golden one. Orange. No.
you know what? All I can say is wow. W-O-W. Wow. W-O-W. That's it. Nothing more I can say. You see how perfect it is? See this?
Single one. The first limited branding is this color.
Okay.
2010.
2000.
And the last version is 2019.
Oh, that is the 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost. Yeah. To meet you, sir. For allowing me. This is all.
这个套装，200套。
Of course, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
See you soon.
See ya. Next time. Now I'm heading back to hotel. I'm done with the colorplus, and now we're going up to the next step. My next itinerary for cycling. Wow, a really overwhelming colorplus.
It started soft, gentle drops, almost refreshing. But in a few minutes, it grew louder, colder, sharper. The kind of rain that seeps through your gloves, sticks to your shirt, and makes your shoes feel like soaked sponges. Puddles formed, tires sprayed water behind me, and every downhill felt a little more sketchy. Vision blurred at times, and my brakes slower than usual. But still, I kept pedaling. Because riding in the rain isn't just about getting wet, it's a test of how bad you want it. How deep your dedication really goes when comfort is gone, when the easy choice is to stop and wait it out. But I didn't wait. Each turn of the pedals felt heavier but more meaningful. Every drop of rain on my face reminded me that I was alive, out here doing what I love, even when the conditions weren't ideal. Maybe even because they weren't ideal. And in that moment, alone on the wet streets of Taiwan, I realized something. This ride, this challenge, it wasn't about distance anymore. It was about showing up, pushing through. Not letting fear or rain or worry define the story. So I kept going. Steady, mindful, but unshaken.
Okay, we're visiting another place for the bicycle enthusiasts, for falling enthusiasts. So we'll be visiting Wotancraft. It's there. Looks like it's a warehouse or shop. It's a bicycle shop. Just hold the bike, yeah. Right. So I'll just prepare. Where I can put the bike.
Put over there.
Oh, right. Okay. Because I haven't seen. I think only in Taipei Watercraft has. Only in Taipei.
Only one store here.
Okay.
Other store is
All dealers, but you don't have any branch outside the country like
Yeah.
Singapore, Hong Kong. Oh, so it means I'm really on a special place.
yeah.
Nice. Definitely, it's all good materials. How much is this? Watercraft specializes in leather. Walk. The end of the journey. Till next time.